If you're considering Hootsuite Analytics for your social media management and analytics, there are 12 key things you need to know before making your decision. This tool is one of the most popular on the market, but is it the best choice for your business? Let's compare it to some of the competition and dive into what really matters. First up, Hootsuite is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to jump in and start tracking their social media performance. However, compared to tools like Sprout Social or Buffer, its interface can feel a little cluttered, especially if you're managing multiple accounts. Next thing, the reporting options. Hootsuite offers customizable reports, which is great for tracking specific metrics, but many users have noted that the depth of those reports can sometimes feel limited. Tools like Sprinkler or Social Bakers provide more in-depth analytics with additional insights, which might be better if you need detailed reports. The third thing is social listening. Hootsuite allows you to track mentions and keywords, but it's not as robust as alternatives like Brandwatch, which offer more advanced features for monitoring social sentiment and trends in real time. If listening to your audience is a key priority, you might want to explore other options. Now, let's talk about integrations. Hootsuite supports a wide range of platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. But if you need something more specialized, like integrations with Slack or Google Analytics, you'll find that some competitors, like Agripulse, offer better and more diverse options. The fifth thing is the pricing structure. Hootsuite offers several pricing tiers depending on the features you need, but it can get expensive fast, especially if you have a larger team. Competitors like Buffer or Zoho Social may offer more affordable options with comparable features for small to medium-sized businesses. Next, let's discuss mobile app functionality. Hootsuite's mobile app is decent, but it doesn't compare to the smooth, efficient design of apps like Sprout Socials. If you're on the go and need full access to all features, some other tools might serve you better. The seventh thing to consider is scheduling capabilities. Hootsuite allows for bulk scheduling, but it can be a bit cumbersome. If you're looking for something quicker and more intuitive, tools like Buffer offer an easier, more seamless scheduling experience. Now, let's talk about team collaboration. Hootsuite does a good job of allowing teams to collaborate, but it can be a bit limited when compared to tools like Monday.com or Trello, which are designed with a more fluid project management system in mind. If you need a lot of team collaboration features, those might be better suited to your needs. The ninth thing is analytics reporting automation. Hootsuite can automate some reports, but it still lacks the level of automation seen in other platforms like Social Report, which offers more flexible scheduling and reporting options. Moving on to customer support. Hootsuite's customer service is generally solid, but some users have reported slow response times, especially during peak periods. Competitors like Sprout Social tend to offer faster support, which could be important if you're running a busy social media campaign. Now let's talk about data storage. With Hootsuite, you get access to historical data for up to 24 months, but if you need access to more extensive past data, platforms like Social Bakers or Falcon I/O might provide longer storage for ongoing campaigns. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Hootsuite is fairly easy to use, there is still a learning curve, especially when it comes to fully utilizing all of its features. Alternatives like Buffer and Zoho Social have a more straightforward learning experience, particularly for users new to social media management. Finally, let's discuss security. Hootsuite takes security seriously, offering two-factor authentication and other essential measures. However, if you're looking for enterprise-level security features, tools like Sprinkler might provide more extensive options for large organizations. So, is Hootsuite Analytics a good choice for social media management? Yes, it's a reliable tool with a lot of solid features. But if you're looking for a better solution, check out our recommended platform, which you can try for free. It might offer everything you need and more without some of the limitations Hootsuite faces.